This is day one. The exercise of the day is the archer. 40 seconds on, 20 seconds off for a total of 5 rounds. If you got your mat, go ahead and grab it and join me on the floor. Your feet can be flat or on your heels. It's up to you. Let's come back with bring your arms forward and come back into a C-sit position. This is our start point. And what we're going to do, we're going to pull our elbow back, turning our head to the side, and then push up into a sit-up. And then back and into a sit-up. If you want to make it a little bit more advanced, then come back to the C-sit and simply hold. Modifiers, just come all the way back up and then here and back up. And if it's still too much, then just rock back and then rock back up. All right, let's go ahead and get started. 3, 2, in position, and let's go. Pull back. Nice and slow. Important here is to keep a tight core. Keep your chest nice and high. Face forward as you come up. Twist your head, turn your head as you come down. Now, I don't want you to twist your body. I want you to keep your body straight. But you're going to turn your head and take a break. All right. So that is the first round. In 15 seconds, we're going to go at it again. Brace your core. Make sure you engage and make sure you are breathing correctly throughout the exercise. We got 3 seconds, 2, and 1. We are in the second round of this exercise. You should feel your obliques working, and you should feel your rectus abdominis also working. We got 10 seconds. Just a slight elbow touch on the floor. This is not a move that we should rush. And 1 and break. That's round 2. Make sure you stay hydrated. Get water as you need it. You can always come back and finish up from where you left off. Okay, we got 5 seconds. Remember, modifiers ready, and let's go. So modifiers, if this begins to be too much, then just simply just rock back and then forward into a full sit-up. Everyone else that's still in the game, let's go ahead and pull that elbow back, almost like you're about to shoot a bow. We got less than 10 seconds. 3, 2, 1. 2 more rounds. Yeah, just imagine that you got your eye on a target and you're shooting your bow. So you gotta turn a little bit with your head still facing forward so that you can see your target. Ready and go. Keep your eye on the target. And as you come back and turn your head, you will get the work going into the oblique and the center of your core. Remember, just a slight touch on the floor, and you're not rushing it. Got 10 seconds left. Now, for the last 2 seconds, I'm going to stay down. And come up. One more round. and then you will have completed day 1. This time, I'm going to challenge myself, and I am not going to come up into the sit-up. I'm going to stay in a C-sit position for the full 40 seconds. In 3, 2, 1, here we go. Yeah, breathe. Keep your eye on the target. And you can do this with a resistance band, or if you have a couple of light dumbbells, you can do that with them as well. Got 10 seconds left. Now, hold, 2, 1, rise. Whew. All right. That's exercise number 1, the archer, the workout, the exercise of the day. I will see you tomorrow. Make sure you warm up and make sure you eat properly. Nutrition is key. I will see you next time. See you tomorrow.